Hey, it's been a while. Anyway, it's the story time. Yeah. Woo! When was the last time? Like, when was the last time I did something like this, bro? In fact, our singing is so fast. In holy shit. I think it's just a camera. Yo, guys. It's been a minute since I've done something like this. What? And second, it's also been a minute since I've like visited the church that I haven't visited before. Yeah, that's like a church that I want to visit. That's there. Like I've been, like having a lot of work and going to this church, coming back, going to that, and that. So I never really like have gotten time to spend time with. Yeah, well, apart from that, what find out when just a couple of hours. Not going to late. So it's somewhere. But anyway, I'm telling you guys about my weekend. It just incredible. Oh my word. Oh my. First thing is first. Anglalanga that day, right? It was a Friday. I couldn't sleep. Maybe because I was excited. I don't know. But I couldn't sleep. Getting down. What's up, Mfanaga Kamalo? Hit that like button, subscribe. Guys, subscribing is free. Just hit that subscribe button. Yeah, so my 10 seconds. Hit that subscribe like him out there. Welcome to Mosaic Music, your front row seats to Zion Vibe. I know that's late. Anyway, Leila. Striving, man. Striving. Say with bank. I was sitting office. Sitting with bank. In my last lane. Ay, imo Pastor Chris, no Pastor Mbata. Alright. Sitting Shakran entrance. If it must well have it. No one is there, bro. In my head, I'm like, tulong ko tayo kan kasi sa background eh. Sa reverse. And I was kind of kulong, agiti. Full volume. No one is there. Ish. We're like, ish. Ay, Shabbat no was crowded. Spoon. Sugi number. Si Cho. Phantom again. We entered. We arrived. We were within. So I'm going to enter. Some kind of people have beautiful cars, bro. Like, they have beautiful cars, bro. There was an H1 that was beautiful, bro. Vita, dog, beautiful cars. Eyes figures sparkling. See it. My interviews. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm like, because I didn't sleep the night before. I told shall my interview straight. I must straight. Everything wraps up from the field. Figure out of it. I'm no serious. Sa netball court, try such back to the hall. Mangena, singene holweni. Singene holweni. Masingene holweni, we enter. Ngobheka ividiyo sobona. Masingena kunomnyango lo oqala lo la. Singena, when I see this tall figure, bro, I'm like, damn. I'm looking at this wood from a distance. I'm like, ooh. In my head, I was like, what? Like, bro, I was over the moon, bro. And I had to keep it cool, bro. I was like, I got so shy, bro. Hey! Ngisenze-busy yabo, because I don't want to look at the man. Ngisenze-busy. And it's not like and ngishutana nehholo and stuff. Like I'm making myself busy so that I don't get seen or I don't look at him, bro. This man, hi, Pastor Christo, Pastor Mbathi, hi, hi, baringa. Hi, bakhuluma. In my mind, I'm like, I'm ready. In my mind, I'm like, I'm not ready. Oh, I thaba laphana, ngithe mangimxhawula mfethu. When I looked at, oh, Archbishop Gama, when I looked at him, bro, mfethu, have you ever had that moment where you fall in love with somebody? It was me, bro. I looked at that man for a split second, bro. Uthe makathi, kunjani mshana? Yo, uthe kunjani mzukulu? Mfethu, my heart melts, bro. Yo. Inhliziyo yami ivele yathi, yo, guys. Yo, bro, I didn't know what to do, bro. I swear, bro, listen, bro. I don't care about a lot of things there. When that man said kunjani mzukulu, and then uPastor Mbathi uyothanda ukuthi ugama, but mina nogama sosibongofana nato kunjani. Yo, I was like, this man knows me. I was like, this man has seen my content. Yeah, that's that. So in my head, I'm like, damn. I'm like, nah, fam. Njengoba nje ngibuyile lesandla ngeke asiwashi, by the way. Ngilongigeza nje ngo-left nje. Ngithe nje maybe today ngizosiwasha kahle yabo, but nje ngiyala guys, ngiyala. Yo, when that man said, oh, kunja, and then he smiled. Ooh, hey. And then, he's saying like this, bro, and bruv, I'm a kid, bro. Like, bruv, I need you to understand this. All right? Mina mangikhula, it was believers and trust. Only. La manje was as a teenager, but as a kid, that's all. Listen, those men I've always wanted to meet, bro. My entire life. Bro, I looked at him and I was like, yo, he's one of the most. Listen, I'm gonna be honest. That man has one of the most beautiful smiles I've ever seen, bro. Yes. I say whatever you wanna say, bro. Man, just got an interview. My heart is pounding. I'm like, I'm gonna have a heart attack, bro. When I'm about this in just 2 seconds, I had some interviewer this entire time to show you how great that man is. Oh, Pastor Chris, wawisi microphone kanjani microphone ingithibelela. The microphone, go check out the interview. Uzobona. The microphone went like, in my head, I'm like, look at this man. I'm like, look at this man. And I that, like, bruv, this man's aura is so good, bro. This man's aura shakes everything. This man, when he walks in the building, people there are like, yeah. Pastor Christo with the microphone. What how? I don't know. I'm for to interview it. I say about my son, and then the legend to Bob Kwal. Yeah. I by interview but and then ngiphumelela ngaphandle because now before by interview but ngiphumelela ngaphandle. That was before ngizaba interview ngiphumelela ngaphandle. Abangifika ngaphandle kuno Bishop, I forgot his name. Bishop in Jesus Melapa. This man is like, hey man, it's great to finally meet you. I'm like, okay. So people know me. And this man is like, yo, bro, I love your content. I love the way you talk about it. I just didn't know Guti. This is a thing now. I'm like, it's not a thing. I said, come on, you understand? He's like, bro. He's like, so did you react to all the songs in a weekend? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, I had to. He's like, man, no, I love what you're doing. Lento Yenza is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And don't stop. He started teasing me from lab. Wangena ngumnumzana. That's me, so I'm like, sengihlubukile manje. I was like, that's him. Asibe bese ngimange ukuthi manje nomfana omchilo obusuku kanje. Yini? Yabo. Sengimbheke so manje ngithi. In my head I'm like, nah, sengihlubukile manje. I understand. And then while I'm there, kwafika Jabula, right? Jabula think you're wafika. After that, awujabula bamngenile nje. Ooh, mara ngeke ngisho. Yabula fika mfethu, hayi kube mnandi, hayi sharp. And then bangibize phakathi, then interview babgwala. This man's mind is amazing. The way this man breaks down how he would like to see Uzayon progress from here, bruv. I'm not gonna share some of the things he says because I'm a project like, but one of the things he said was, it's high and it's about ngimangele, man, ngaba ne-echo engaka. He's like, it's high and it's about time that people see Ubuhle and actually Zion for it to grow into a platform where it's taken not just serious, but it's also taken as something that people would like to be a part of. I was like, damn. I was like, my dog, you and I, same language. Ngibam, hayi masiphumela ngaphandle. Oh, ngiba interview straight. Masuka lapho, hayi sengale mfethu. Ukawula yabo. Sibabaza mfethu. Mfana basitreat nice. Yimi babgwala. Siplome sonke phela lapha. Awu siyadla mfethu. Sidle straight. And then after that, siphumele ngaphandle, do a little bit of interview. Now people are preparing for the event. Bruv. Ngizoloku ngakhatha lama video ngifake ama-clip wesonto just for you to see. Bruv, if Timia was cowboy Wild West. Mfethu, let me tell you guys something. I have this privilege of working youth ethanda ukuspana. Like I've had that privilege for a while now. Like the churches that I've visited and big youth yakhona lapha. Mfethu, kuna this man, he is so well spoken. Pastor Nhlanhla Shabalala. Oh my God. When that man speaks, bruv, he's light skin. When that man speaks, he speaks with integrity. You think I speak good English? Nah, fam. Wait until you meet that guy. That man speaks so nice. So, like, he's well spoken, bro. You see, when I speak with a lot of excitement and words. That man is calm. He looks at you. He engage. He locks in, bro. I'm like, what? And here, bafethu kuyacula. Bona ngicela ngidlala ngawo. Bafethu kuyacula trust. Hey. Awuthi ngikuzwisa ngiyabona ngazi ngabe baculani. I think yeah, they were singing ingoma le yase-Cross. But anyway, listen. My guy, I refuse. I'm telling you, I refuse to go to a church. Now you think I'm pastor. I'm sorry, guys. I am sorry. I've visited five of the biggest churches as I own. Like right now, 5. And Utelaba just takes off. Like they from Isfuto to Ipe, and then there was this man before the night. I don't know who he is, bro. My mom check my video. Uzabona in most videos ngiyazuma kuyo ngathi ushaya leader or tena. Hey, that man sings, bro. Yo, guys. Hi, Shabi even thinking. There was a baby. There was a 7 years old. I can't play the song here because of copyright. He's like 6, 7, bruv. That Athi kodwa utheni awike monga ngizokuzama ukutholela ivideo yakhona ngizoyibheka. That child made everyone dance, bruv. Everyone. He was singing a baby song like it was a baby song, but bruv, just his energy. His energy. Ngibona bobambatha no Pastor Chris labana was like, yeah! Like what is going on here, bro? I'm like, the grown people out there losing their minds, bro. I'm like, what is going on? I'm like, what is going? You know, guys, this 5-year-old was out there making grown people. He gave them that boy for sure went home and realized how amazing he is, bro. And also, what I love about It Trust is the fact that everyone is catered for. Everyone, every age, whatever it is that you do. One thing I saw It Trust that actually melted my heart. There was I think it was a 7 or 8-year-old girl. She's a dancer and she has won back to back. She was given a chance to dance. I need you to understand this. Ne? I need you to understand this. It is one of the rarest things to see and have actual dancers showcasing dancing as Zion. It's not really something prominent. Good any video that's going viral right now of this guy dancing in Patla Soto. I think people forget to go to outside in Patla Soto, there's us. So me seeing a 8 hours there screaming by myself, I don't care. Well, other people screaming as well, but I was on top of my line. That child was out there. She was killing it. I'm like, what? I'm like, huh? In my head, I'm like, yo, better support this child. Because we've been dancing. Like I said, we've been dancing, bro. And to see that now coming into the space, I guess in the way it's growing now, it shows that those are cool, that they are also seeing and embracing other talents and understanding ukuthi not all of us are gifted esontweni ngalo ndlela. Yabona njengami nje. Mina ngipreach nje, ngiculi, ngiyayifuthela nje and then ngishaya content and I love dancing. Kodwa babami is a whole pastor, a whole full flesh on pastor. Reverend Iblan, full flesh. Even that lady could sing. Mina, next, I just get there. And anyway, I sharp. Now, speaking of Ukwaba, guys, nyanjela futhi abantu abase-KZN, any church bazokugwabela. Wasn't that this new thing, right? I'm gonna try my best to do it. There's this new way yokugwaba manje, right? Where someone goes like, young mom, I'm like, and then kuno konjuba do overseer, I forget his name. Overseer, angazi overseer Kumalo or menyero khona. That man yakho ayibambe so. At. Understand? There's this new thing, man. That's why man just where and so people are like, I'm like, but normally, abo, and so bam, see, wala. No munyo mama bega ayibambela lapho ayibega so I'm like, bro, what is going on? I'm trying to focus, like I'm shooting semsebenzini. I'm seeing things I've never seen. I'm like, why are you guys upgrading Ukwaba without us knowing? She was awesome. I'm like, what is going on? Like, just I'm like, bro, ngihlala phansi and I'm on some. I'm trying to understand. Like, yeah, we're all like, Ngane look, ngane. It's nothing. I feel too sharp. Before I go further, let me give you a few tips that I was given. As Ubabkwala is such a genius, that man is a genius. If I was Ubabkwala now, that man is a genius. That man coordinates movements while I shoot Makwaba. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. This man, this man showed me something I've never seen. And I don't think in songs was born every year because I know anything that I say, you'll take it. I Obab Kwala is such a genius. Now I understand. Now I understand why people want to work with that man. Mfethu, iholo ne, it's huge. Choir up, right? And then there's space the side. Got that. There's enough space. And then there's people behind us. Right? Table. Chairs all around. Okay? Ubaba Gwala is such a genius. This man was coordinator Ukwaba in the most unique way I've ever done. He has a picture in his head. While I shoot, he wants to see that. Mfethu, lo baba lo calls abantu bayagwaba baqala la. And then while abantu bagwaba ngapha, he's actively telling people this side ukuthi nihlelele. And then they would stand up, right? And then bathi gwabani this side, bagwabe so, and then abize nabanye ngapha. I'm busy there. I'm here looking. I'm like, what? Then umgwabo wenza sense. Asuke lapho azokulaba bagwaba kanje. Asuke lapho aphume out. Now you're looking at the visual, zoom in, zoom out, comes into a wide angle, and then it focuses on everybody. But now my focus on everybody is like visual like this, right? Magasuka lapho, I move from there, I go that side. When I say this man makes it move, angekho. Hi guys, hi. Kuna la ingoma ethulisa umsindo. And then babacula bathi thulisa umsindo. This Papa Guap. Guys, listen, listen, bro, listen. I'm gonna lose my mind here. Bro, I've never seen such in my life. I'm like, huh? I'm like, no wonder abantu basethenini when it comes to Baba, you can't touch them. You got me to thulisa umsindo. He's like, yes, and so. Actively, this man is directing while editing, while filming. I'm like, how do you do all of those things? Courtesy what? That's that. And then he just gave me game in the craziest way I've ever seen. I'm watching this man actively make something look beautiful. He's like, you need to sell it. Like hey, guys, when I tell you go to there's order there, aye, from here to there to there. Because number one, he said, here's the thing. It has to be beautiful. Awufuni ukukhombisa something engafanelanga ibe khona. That's why you must communicate nalabantu while shoot. He says that is what you call a director. Because you are actively showing something while filming something. I'm like, oh, so that's what the director means. Like, yeah. I'm like, okay. I'm giving you guys game. My video get art. Ngipur. Engathaki ngisetanga. Umbab Gwala to me to y'all. I'm fair too. I'm looking and I'm like, this is insane. This man fills up the gaps, Makwapa. He fills up the gap. He fills. Sharp. Kugwabe. And then mahlezi lapha makugwaba lapha. I see this lady ufake iduku. Yashuta nge-iPhone. Beautiful smile. Dark skin. I'm like, I've seen this face before. Nah. But in my head, because ufake iduku, I'm like, awushuqulile mfethu, awushuqulile strong. I'm like, nah. But yet I forgot to invite her faces there. And I'm like, hey, laphaya ngathi ngihleli ngiyi-one. Ngihleli lapha etafuleni. Oh, before that. Sekuyezwa konke lokuhlala phansi angena ubaba Gamafuthi. And then this man came azohlala nathi. Yo, guys, I could not take my eyes off him. I'm sorry. Uthe makangena shy cowboy, hey, isigqoko esimnyama, shine leather. I'm like, look at this guy. Ayafika ahlale phansi. Athi naphini asmile. Achameka mpahla. And I got Chomega ne. I was like, I started questioning myself. I was like, if it's up like guys, I'm like, hey, bro, the person I've always wanted to meet is sitting right across me. Bitch. You understand? We're chilling at on the same table. And I'm like, yo. yo. Every time, mangihlala phansi. Ngishuthi mangishuthi ikhamera ngicale kuyo, ngiqhubeke ngiyele. Mangibuye ngihlala phansi, ngimbheke. Nakathi uyangibheka ngisibhekisele, I'm like, bruv, every chance I got, I just looked at him and I was like, damn. Because number one, understand this. The baby in me, about that teenager, that child in me is getting fulfilled with certain things I've always wanted to do and certain people I've always wanted to meet. You understand? And with the lifestyle that I have of being a dancer, you meet prominent figures, prominent dancers, prominent musicians, artists, and actors, and yet there are people to this day that when I meet, I'm like, hey, listen, I've met Abu Ferguson, but you say, have been a part of my life for the longest of time. You understand? So I'm like, every second I got, bro, I'm like, I'm mesmerized at the figure of a man, bro. I'm like, all right, sharp. But sneeze him so. I'm like, sneeze. Man. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. That's that. She walked across and I was like, I'm like, damn. I almost did not recognize her, bro. That lady got on stage and poured her heart on the stage. Kombisi. Now that you've seen the video, bruv, that lady can sing. No, she can sing. And she said something really, really interesting. And all I'm gonna say is, that's all I'm saying. And something is coming up. Something is cooking. She's cooking something, and I might drop it here before everybody else says, which will be the first time in Giyenza into Fananale. You understand? Usnezi got there, bruv. Usnezi got there and showed us why she is who she thinks she is, and she's her. Usneez is her. Wow, my sister Dile, we got to interview her. Oh my lord, she is such a beautiful soul. And then young ass me, I'm that guy. Usneez, we taking. I'm like, I sense the soul. Usneez is like, why? I'm like, just. Atu pasta mus hip hop lolo that hip hop. You see the pictures just because I don't think she has ever met someone who's as outgoing as I am. Because Mina, I'm just me. Like I said, I'm like I see what's. It's just on some. I'm like, yeah, I like those photos. I don't like to be too serious when in life, guys. I'm sorry. Sharp, see la payana. And after that, they leave because they had awards. Hlala mfethu. Hayi, kube mnandi sivala. And then we had to come back again. Sibuye futhi jumpers. While before that, mina sengihleli nje nobaba Gwala, we talking. Bruv, that man gave me game, brother. That man shared some of the things. Like, when you ask someone and umuntu akunikeza the answer, and then that answer you like, yeah, yo, no, that's the one. Yeah, Obab Gwala gave me one of the craziest game, and I'm like, watch the space. I'm like, ngizobona uMoza music, into engizoyenza, into Jupiter zoyenza. Nzima kabi. Hayi sambe-ke sisi. We go out. Oh, ngihleli nayo Baba Gwala. Mfethu eMpumalanga kuyabanda, guys. Guys, bengifaka ijakhethi ngihleli phambi kwehita ngiphuza itiye noBaba Gwala. Kubanda kunjalo. Hayi Baba Gwala mfethu giving me game. I'm like, damn. I'm like, woo. Hayi sharp sibuye. Sibuye ngabo 1 ekuseni. Hayi isuka inkonzo-ke. Hey, guys. Ngihleli, right? I'm chilling noBaba Gwala. Phambi kwe-heater. I had to emphasize, guys, eMpumalanga iyabanda. Kuyabanda eMpumalanga. Umhlolo ongaguli. Chilling. Hi man, while I'm chilling there, I'm watching one of the gathering. Now Pastor Musa lapha no Pastor Chris bahleli stage. Abasayifile. Hey wakwabo Pastor Chris. I mean barely lezo. This man at hey labantu bayacula lava, and I second him. Guys, it trust yacula. Hayi makuhlezi lapha. I look to my left. I'm like, I manje when I got there, I did not pay attention. Angibabonanga. Bese nje baba acknowledge Archbishop Bishop Mkhize. Nawe Archbishop Mkhize. Man, there's a big light phambi kwami. I do this. I'm like, Mount Zion. You should have seen the reaction come up when I did that. Up just went like, so, I'm like, oh, Mount Zion. Ubab Gwala so Chinese was like, man. I'm like, Mount Zion. I'm like, Coco, ukui. I'm like, Katazile way. Kata way. I'm not Coco. I'm not on the timing. As my grandmother loved this man. Coco Maksumunto, especially in her late years. My grandmother is not everyone. Is not a person that used to listen to every pastor or every preacher. Nah, she's very selective. Hayi, Mount Zion, lalela Mount Zion bekamrecord azathi awufaki i-recording kaMount Zion. Ungena la endlini uzomthola lalele yena kule nsuzana uBishop Mkhize. So meeting him and seeing him made me remember my grandmother and go like, damn, Marakatha, ngabe manje ukhona, ngabe ngiyakufonela. Eish. Now I'm fucking there, phela khathazile ukuphoxela. That's what I used to do, bro. I would call my grandmother something like that. Me. You understand? I remember Mangzoletha Uwini Kumalo in this house. Uwini Kumalo sat here. Ne, my grandmother sat here. The first thing my grandmother said, I told my mama to put Marakatha Mara Koko. You understand? So I would do that every time when I would meet some of these people and I get a chance to like talk to them. I would call and be like, hey, Koko, Koko. Hey, Koko. You understand? Because I remember when AKA died, she was so upset. So upset. Anyway, I'm like, Mount Zion. I'm like, what? They said, I'm like, wow, what is going on? Bruv, let me off track before I continue with this with the story. I need you to understand something, right? I need you to understand something. When you become a figure as Zion, we too may have people that look at us and go, yo, I like your work. We also have people that there are some people who are your celebrity. I understand. In a way, there are prominent figures in the Zion space that when we look at them, we go like, yo, because we were kids. These are people we see on the TV. These are people that we grow up to. So watching my progress, Ali channel there from what it used to be a year before to what it is now, it is insane. The faces I'm seeing on this page, the people that I'm meeting out there, it's insane. I angazi bacule yiphi ingoma. Let me see. Nayisekho la. Bacule enye ingoma. Awuthami ngibone ngibona uBishop no-Archbishop bagwaba mfethu. Yeah. Akugwaba nangu ubaba uMkhize nobaba Gama lapha abayisho mfethu. Sikulapho eze. And for the first time in my life, that man was singing in front of me. Yeah, that's when my heart melted. He's been singing throughout the day. But seeing the way he sings with conviction and an element of let me show you how I'm feeling. I'll tell me, Ubab Kama sang. That man sang. And I'm like, yo, I'm still starstruck. I'm hearing this man sing for the first time in my life. In person. I must in person. That man sang. But I almost cried. When he started singing, I was like, ayikho ezojabulisa umphefumulo wami like this. That man said, I have videos of Ubab Gama singing on my channel. I have videos of Archbishop singing on my that thing will be there for life. Singing, bruv. Singing. Yo. Hi. Service continue. Oh, Ubab Mkhize. I preach. That man, I love that man. That man, this other patterns we upload engaging live TikTok, so make sure you go check it out. Since we uploaded up when he spoke about, I think it was 7 things that a church should have. 3 things he spoke about that made me look at him in a different light, and I went like, "You are preaching my language. No wonder why my grandmother was a fan of you." You understand? Spoke about having influencers as sontweni, right? Having people who are in the media space and having people ebaphila ngama bookings. Bruv, he said having abantu abanjalo, they are able to maneuver within the space air media because they know what needs to happen. And I looked at it and I was like, wow. But I understand I've been good media for the longest of time. Konza, I've been doing that. And it is so sad that I've been part of churches that never really saw what I was doing until now. You understand? Now they're on some, oh wow, because of then to a by you this thing of becoming a social influencer, right? A media influencer, a personality of some sort. I'm not just talking about just being a Zion personality, but outside from that, right? I just moved into Zion recently because I'm like, you know what? I'm good at this. If I can do it in the space of dancing, let me take this thing and apply it here. And look how it is. It is it is the most beautiful thing to see because le nto ayikhulumayo makes sense. Also spoke about having a CEO ebandleni. And one thing I also loved about Ubaba Mkhize said this thing emaZion yokuthi once you get that level of success, uyaphuma eZion. Why? I was like, pass. I was like, pass. Because personally, I've had friends ebakhulele eZion, but as soon as izinto zaba hawu baphuma bayoshaya lokhu abakushaya, which is fine. We serve the same God at the end of the day. That I don't care about. But in things ukuthi, why are you taking all that success out of it? Why are you moving with it? You understand? So when he spoke about influencers, social media personality, and people who are living on my bookings, such as myself, made me say, you know what? Le nto engifuna ukuyakha eZion ngizoyenza ngenkani and you guys are going to be a part of it. You understand? And it really moved me. It really moved me ukuthi he did not just focus on just the spiritual part, because not all of us as Zion are spiritual people. We're not, guys. Sorry, we are not all of us. But for the fact that he spoke about spiritual people and then he spoke about us as well, people who live behind the camera, people who live for the media, people who are doing those type of things, made me look at it in a different light. I sharp some interview, and then after that we came back. Now, phela Baba Kizabel had to drive back. Phela unesonto ngo-9 uqala service, and then after that, umkhulu sehlezi laphayana, and throughout the time, throughout the entire day, I've been looking at this man with also a heavy heart. I just wanted to say this for so that I don't ruin the story. I've been looking at the Archbishop with a heavy heart, and in my head, I was asking myself, how is he coping? And I have a full video where he was talking about it. And I said to myself, I'm not going to post it. Understand? Then to begin to a band, and I'm not going to post it. And, he said it out loud. And he is such a strong person because, having to have lost, he said it himself. I understand? Having to have lost a loved one. He said he's never experienced something like this before. And it's painful. It is hard to see. I understand, but he's standing tall. Amidst of everything that's going on. People forget to go to Abaholi. There are people too. I think in Klambe we get lost up in the word Abaholi, forgetting what Abaholi stands for. Also leaders as well, not the holy ones. Just behind is Kundla is a person, is a normal flesh human being, just like you and I. And that part, the entire day, that was something that was just sitting on me heavy the entire day because it is when he also spoke that my heart just sank, bro. My heart sank, and I was like, please, lately nje uzayonyankhadisa for some reason. Guys, some days I cut off these things and slowly nyembezi aside and then come back. I'm not used to like crying. I cry one and I'm like, So he spoke about it, and all I can say is that man is strong, especially in times like this. I understand that it is strong, and it's so sad ukuthi people forget to Tabahula band. And amidst of all the things that was said on my social media and all that, sometimes we forget that, and he spoke about it. Like he was so genuine about it. And yeah, I was like, wow. I was like, yo. And sometimes I wish people could have a heart sometimes. You know, ningabi too heartless for no reason. And after that, he also spoke about how much he loves his church, how much he values. He didn't preach that much. He just gave thanks, like you understand, and then gave people, ordained people. So, moral of the story is this: Ogoti, it is so crazy. Mang Pega the build up to to this event that we are coming from, right? Ubambat, no, Pastor Chris, these two guys are amazing. And then Babones Gabahol, no, those are my dogs, bro. Those are my homies. Yona bukela le video baqalile lo mfana. Qalile. They are so knowledgeable. They've been speaking about this particular scripture. Is it Moses? No, but I'm missing Moses. Somebody else, guys. Like I said, I'm not that into it, man. They said, umholi izandla zakho uma yikhathala, or umphathi izandla zakho uma yikhathala. You don't try to take the stake. Instead, nimbambisa izandla so that he can rest. That's what I saw this past weekend. That's what I saw. I saw a church supporting Umholua. That's what I saw. And I don't think we will ever experience something like this. Understand? I'm not saying what you're not gonna experience Umholi. No, but how often is it that you see Umholi, a man loses a wife and the church is still there? In most cases, it's the other way around, and they stay because Umam. But when it's a man, it's a different story. You understand? And those people show this man like the way after the service, everyone went like everybody, almost everyone wambohlana. Macho to Kulum, right? After the service, Macho to interview Ubuhle. I interview Mamtundu. People were just there with him. Like the way I'm like this because I looked at it for a second. I understand? And I'm like, wow. Anton, like you get that. Build a family. Yeah, when I trust slogans are but we trust the trusted. That is beautiful. And outside and amidst of everything and whatever people are saying, and I also like the president. You know, if president said she will die and she will fight anyone for that. I was like, my sister, when you deserve this. Give that lady a medal. She deserve it. She deserve it. You understand? And that should tell you the commitment these people have. I had an amazing weekend, bro. Ngidlile. Ngiphusithe yabo makayi-6 laphayana mfethu. Ukudla futhi ayingiqamba. Guys, ngidlile trust. I ate. Ngidle ngaze ngasutha. Yazi by the time sisingena emotweni sesibuyela sisala eGoli. Mfethu bengisendawo obuthongo ngisuthi stew, beef stew sigcwele isisu. Bengihleli kanje lapha efasitereni sendleleni. But now for real, it was an amazing day, man. It was an amazing weekend, and these people can sing. These people are full of love. Listen, Mina, this is what I'm gonna say to you. Forget what anybody and anyone is saying. Go visit the church. Khetha lokho kusenhlizweni nakho. And kunomfundisi ke wathi hamokhonza la inhliziyo yakhe ifuna ukuba khona. Ungakhonzeli ama-trends. Ungakhonzeli because there's no. Khonza endaweni where you know ukuthi effortlessly you are there. Regardless of anything, you are just there because inhliziyo yakho ilapho. Don't go and choose churches because everyone is choosing churches. Nangbam, nangton. Trust. Saba forgive. Intropeninyal. Music video. Anyway, guys, before I sign out, make sure you go and check out our videos for segment. Wonke. I'm gonna upload it. But trust. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and also go check out their album. And I have to say this, guys. It Trust Necros have the best album of 2026. Numbers don't lie. Go check out the numbers. Go Spotify. Go check out the numbers on YouTube. Uzobona anything you kulumai. They're not playing. So, in a favorite way of mystery, I'm signing out. Adios. Tako.